to all the Falconites and every student, no matter where they are studying, in which institution they are studying. I understand for any student this is one of the most stressful time, just moment before the examination. 12th standard students are going to write examination tomorrow onwards. Degree students have already started. 10th standard students are going to start. Degree and first PUC just finished their examination. So everybody in the Falcon, all these students are writing or going to write examination. However, during this time I'm getting the calls from few parents. The children are not sleeping well, they are not eating enough. I understand you all are stressful, you have lot of pressure. Pressure is from the family, society, expectations, pressure, but trust me, you cannot just ensure you can't burn out before the examination. You have to ensure only one thing, that you have proper sleep, you have to have proper food, you have to have whatever routine which happens with all the studies, you have to continue that as well. But with these exams nearing, every student starts feeling that I am forgetting things, I don't know whether I can make it, what if some other question comes, what if I don't. All these are the questions which comes to the student's mind. Please, for God's sakes, believe in yourself, believe in your efforts. Nothing is going to evaporate whatever you have put in, whatever you have by-hearted. Nothing, all your efforts, whatever you have put, whatever sacrifices you have done are going to bear fruits. You will get results, you will do well, provided you have that belief in your efforts, in yourself, and take care of yourself before the examination, during the examination. Just keep that calm attitude, and with the fresh mind you have to appear for the examination. I wish everybody, just not one branch student or the other branch, all Falconites, no matter which exam they are going to appear, and every other student, whoever is listening to me, I wish you very best of luck. I hope, I pray that all your efforts, all your sacrifices, may Allah and may God give the blessings of His best choices of blessings in the form of best of results for you.